Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a comprehensive asset strategy with Bank of America. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a comprehensive asset strategy with Bank of America, start by visiting their official website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section on the homepage. Explore the various investment options available, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Click on Financial Planning Tools to find resources that can help in strategizing your assets. Utilize the Portfolio Builder tool to assess your current investments and risk tolerance. Enter your financial goals, such as retirement savings, purchasing a home, or funding education. Review the suggested investment strategies generated by the tool. Consider consulting with a Bank of America financial advisor for personalized advice. Schedule an appointment through the website or contact customer service for assistance. Prepare for your meeting by gathering your financial documents and recent statements. Discuss your financial goals and any concerns with your advisor during the meeting. Based on your discussion, collaborate to create a tailored asset strategy. Ask about asset diversification to minimize risk across various investment types. Once your asset strategy is in place, regularly review your portfolio's performance. Adjust your strategy as needed based on market changes and personal financial situations. Stay informed about investment trends and economic updates through Bank of America resources. Ensure ongoing communication with your advisor for any significant life changes that may impact your strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a comprehensive asset strategy tailored to your financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.